old Balad, and the call to prayer is in the backdrop. So different scene out here, more my kind of scene. This is the old town, the old city, and just exploring the old town, old city at night. Let's see what we could find. So, anytime you see people are sitting out, eating, drinking, conversing, more informally, that's my kind of place. What is this place? Golden Chef Seafood Restaurant. I don't know about that. But it does look good, but I still don't know about that. I don't want seafood, I want land, Mandy. Looks good, looks good. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, that's a big fish. Man, that's tempting. That's a big fish. Wow. There it is. Wow. That looks good. That looks good. Lots of seafood restaurants here. Of course, we are, I believe, would it be the Red Sea? Yes. What is this one? Fish again? Nice. Can I just look? Just wanna look and check it out. I'm not gonna eat right now. Wow, look at that. That looks good. Wow. Huh. Maybe I should eat out here for sure. Just taking a walk, my friend. I'll come back to eat maybe. This one looks good. How much would be like the platter, the fish, everything? How much is that? Oh, English, okay. Like, how much is the big fish right here?
This hamor 1 kilo 1 kilo.
Say what?
Hamor, this fish hamor,
yeah.
1 kilo,
Yeah.
100 kilo.
How many kilos is the, you think this one is like 1 or 2? So, that looks good. Oh wow. Man, is that from, is the Red Sea? From the Red Sea?
Yeah.
Nice.
This
Yes. Maybe 2, 4, 3 kilos?
this one?
Yeah.
1 kilo.
I'd say 2.5.
100 kilo. This one? 1 kilo.
Oh, wow.
890.
Yeah.
This
So,
270.
not too bad. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna look around though, honestly. But thank you.
Okay.
Good, good, good. Wow, folks. Fresh from the Red Sea, fresh catch of the day. And you get to have them prepared for you the way you want to. Lots of seafood out here. Man, you can't go wrong. But I'm not, you know, I think I'm gonna be hungry in about 2 hours-ish. My only reservation would be I'm not a big fan of seed oils, and look like they use that oil over and over. You could see based on the color of it, but man, it is what it is. Enjoy some food in Old Balad, you know. All right, let's see what's on the other side.